Yes, very good morning, very good morning. All right, I have something important to share today. Okay, and of course, I'll pull out the card also. But before that, I want to tell you that there is a blessing coming your way. So there is something, in some area of your life, a blessing wants to come in, but maybe by doing certain things you are blocking it. All right, now I will give you certain examples. How are you blocking your blessings? It could be by binge watching something. It could be like you are watching certain things which are emotionally disturbing you. It could be that you are engaging in the gossip, you are engaging in certain talks where you are criticizing certain people. It could be certain religion, it could be certain groups which you are criticizing. You could think or you could believe that they are wrong and you are right, but still, if you are engaging in certain things and this is your belief system, you could be blocking your blessing. If you are still eating from the painful sources, all right, if your food is coming from somewhere where it is being cooked, where pain is involved, or lot of emotions of anxiety, stress, depression is involved. You don't know who is cooking the food and in what emotions they are cooking the food, or lot of anger and frustration is involved, then this could also disturb you. So these are the small, small things which you need to remember, which can disturb you. And also, yes, if you're still complaining about your situation and not counting the blessings, this can also stop your blessing from coming to you. All right, so this is something very important I wanted to share. Please do not get involved in the drama of your life, and you can, the time, the your guides, divine, everything is in your support right now. You are the powerhouse. You are the spark. All right, so maintain that spark. Do not allow things to drain you right now. So let's see what message, additional message comes out. So, whatever resonated with you, please take it positively and make the necessary changes. All right. See? Wow. Open your presence. So, as I said, something is coming your way. And this is the time. This gift wants to come to you. And maybe through certain things, you may be blocking it. So, let me just read out. Ever seen a time lapse film of a flower blooming, its petals opening wide? That's your new role model. Visualize yourself opening your arms wide. Wow, embracing all the prosperity and abundance that's flowing your way. Receive, 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 and then pass it on. So, this is the time only to open your arms, stay ready to receive because something wants to come your way. Do not block it through your own energy. All right, so be in high vibes. All these small, small things I mentioned can keep you stuck, can keep you in low vibes, and can keep you, away from your own blessings. So, that was the message today.